Hi, this is Dr. Manjunath, fertility expert and laparoscopic surgeon. Welcome to my fertility talk. In this video, I am going to tell you about fertility test. So these are the best way, by doing this, these are the best way to know whether you have infertility or you don't have infertility. So when you have to do this fertility test means, when you have difficulty in conceiving even after trying for 1 full year by doing an unprotected regular intercourse. So when you have that 1 year, full 1 year, and in spite of that, if you are not becoming pregnant, I think you need to go and do this kind of fertility tests. Sometimes you need to do this fertility test much before 1 year when you have certain medical conditions like ectopic pregnancies, women who are more than 35 years, irregular periods. When you have irregular periods, you might be having some kind of hormonal issues, or painful intercourse, pain during sex. So if you have these conditions and other few conditions like repeated miscarriages, pelvic infections, and if man is having a problem of erectile dysfunction, it means to say his sexual organ is not hard enough, or if he has any history of injury to the testes. So in these conditions, the couple has to do this fertility test much before 1 year. So what are all these fertility tests means? Basically, when you go and consult the doctor, first they will take the brief history about your sexual activity, any history suggests you have any hormonal imbalance or any hormonal conditions. So they will take basically a history. After that, we suggest a few basic tests. Those tests are like ultrasound to do your pelvic examination. Ultrasound, many times we may not do the pelvic examination, ultrasound should be sufficient. So ultrasound on day 2 or day 3 will tell us about a lot of things about your fertility. It tells about the egg reserve, it tells about the uterus, if any problem in the uterus, it tells about any fibroids or any endometriosis, such kind of things. And this scan, preferably it should be done on day 2 or day 3, means to say when you have a periods, initial days of cycles, we need to do this scan. And few other hormone tests also should be done like FSH, LH, AMH, and thyroid hormones and prolactin hormones. So again, this FSH, LH has to be done on 2nd or 3rd day of your period. Other hormones can be done in any day of the cycle. Apart from this, for men, a simple semen analysis has to be done. This semen analysis has to be done after 3 to 7 days of sexual abstinence. And these are the few basic tests. If required, we may do one more test called as HSG or SSG to check the fallopian tubes, whether the fallopian tubes are blocked or open. So these are all the basic fertility tests, and we utilize this particular occasion to do pap smear also for a woman. Means pap smear is a screening test for cervical cancer. So if this is just an opportunity where we can do a pap smear also just to screen for a cervical cancer. So these are all the basic fertility tests and most essential basic test by which we can come to know or we can tell that whether you have some kind of problem or issues in conceiving.